So what is more important, SEO or PPC advertising when it comes to driving traffic to a website? Now, SEO is using these search engines to drive traffic organically or naturally through content to your website. Okay, it's more of a slower approach. Uh, PPC advertising is when you directly pay the search engines to drive traffic to a website. Okay, this is how all these search engines make money, like Google and YouTube and Bing. So the short answer is SEO is really more important when it comes to driving traffic. The reason why is because your business will be built on a more solid foundation. Okay, so with PPC, your message gets to the top of the search engines, but of course you pay for that. Okay, so with SEO, another great thing about SEO is you create a very helpful piece of content. Okay, it could be a video or a blog post or whatever, and this helps you gain trust, authority, and it's free. Okay, it does take some work. It does take a little bit more time. Okay, but the important thing is SEO with your content, it helps you gain trust. And trust really is the currency, okay? It's huge, very, very big. This is why SEO is more important, okay? Anything that helps you gain more trust is going to be very valuable to you in the long term, the big picture of things, okay? So to make it very, very simple, the first thing you should really do is pick a niche that you're really interested in, that you want to learn more about. Something you're enthusiastic, like, oh man, this is almost like a hobby. I can't believe I'm getting paid for this. That's enthusiasm for your niche, okay? Whatever that is, that's up to you, okay? Next, what you want to do is you want to choose products in your niche that you really, really like. You want to share to the world, like, oh my God, I feel like a jerk if I don't share people to how cool this product is. That type of enthusiasm and passion is going to help you over the long term, okay? And it's really, really important for your mindset, your soul, everything, what you want to give to the world, okay? So that's really pretty big. All right. So next step, what you want to do is you want to put yourself into profit as quickly as you can and as cheaply as you can. Okay, it's psychologically it's going to be big for you, making some money, and you want to do it as cheaply as you can. The reason why is because you don't want to spend yourself out of business, which is can be easy to do. Okay, it really can be. So you want to make money quickly. And then you want to use your profits to reinvest back into your business to accelerate the growth. Okay, it's a healthy way of growing your business that way. Okay, so I do think PPC advertising has its place. It can be very helpful to your business. However, it's more towards the end. It's not the first thing you should be focusing on, I don't think. With PPC advertising, in a nutshell, what you're trying to do is spend $1 to make $2 or $3. Okay, and you should do that all day long as it's profitable. Okay, all right, all right. Plus, when you start with free traffic, you're going to get more of an idea on how your campaign's working. Okay, so you're going to give you an idea of how much money you can actually make from the traffic. Okay, the numbers. You're going to get experience. You're going to learn more about your industry, your products, your niche, and you're going to be building more of a relationship with the people that are in your market, which is a big, big plus. Okay. And plus, what's really cool about SEO is you can get traffic for a long, long time. You can do the work once and still make money years into the future, which is not bad, like an asset. Okay, so it's more of a slower way, but it's going to be better in the long term. Okay, so when it comes to spending money on your business, okay, the first place that I would encourage you to look into is the right education. Okay, it's really big. Okay, and the reason why is because if you try to figure everything out on your own, it's going to take you much, much longer, and you're going to end up spending more money through mistakes. So when you get the right education, what you do is you learn from somebody else's fuck-ups and mistakes so you don't make them. Okay, it's much better that way. Okay, it really is. Of course, you could try things your own, mess up and learn from them, but other people, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. I'm trying to say you can learn from other people, and it's a great investment of your resources, time, and energy. I really do believe that way. Okay. All right. So the right education will probably give you the best bang for your dollar or your euro, or whatever. However, it has to be the right education from the right person, okay? And yes, somebody with experience with exactly what you want to learn is what you want. What's so fascinating to me about the school system is you have people that will teach a subject, but they've never actually used it in the real world. They just kind of learned it, from somebody else or a book. There's real world experience, which is valuable, okay? And that's what you kind of want to look for a little bit more, okay? How the result they've gotten, and obviously how long they've been doing it, stuff like that. A good mentor. Okay, so where should you start with the education? What should you learn? Okay, and I really don't think it's traffic or maybe even creating the perfect website. Okay, I really think an important topic to learn, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing or marketing an informational product or whatever, is converting the traffic. Okay, it really is pretty big because the better you get at converting, the less traffic you have to pump into it. It's going to help in so many ways. Okay, plus you don't have to spend as much money in advertising if you're doing PPC, and it's going to help in so many ways. Okay, it's kind of like golf, where everyone wants to learn how to shoot the long golf ball very far, but most of the game is a short game, but nobody wants to learn that. So yeah, converting is not that sexy, but that's where the money is. Okay, there's no point driving traffic if you don't make money from it. It's just a waste of everybody's time. It's just no. Okay, so when it comes to learning this skill set, there is one person which I do highly recommend because I know he has real world experience. He's very good at it. He has the record and everything like that, and so he's the only person I would recommend to learn how to do that better. Okay, and if you want to know who this person is, just check out my website at trustthelink.com, or you can just click that link below in the description, okay, right down there, or go to trustthelink.com. Okay, I hope this video or podcast might have been a little bit helpful to you in some way. If it was, hey, please hit the thumbs up button. Okay, I would appreciate that. And also, your comments are always welcome. Am I wrong? What's your experience been, with PPC advertising or SEO? Which do you think is better to learn first? Okay, just in the comments write SEO or PPC. Let me know if I'm wrong, where I'm right at. Your thoughts are always appreciated as well. Okay. Hey, I wish you the best. Okay. Have a very fun and awesome rest of your day. Take care and bye.